Hey guys, it's Anna. Let's be real for a second. We all want that perfect, bright smile, but we often forget about the actual health of our gums and teeth until it's too late. But did you know your oral health actually impacts your entire body? That is exactly why I have to share a game changer I recently found called Provadent. Quick heads up before I explain how it works. If you do want to check this out, make sure you use the link right down in the description below. That is the official website, and it's the only place to get the real thing. They are running some huge discounts on the 3 and 6 bottle bundles right now, and it comes with a full money-back guarantee, so it is completely risk-free to try. So, why is Provadent special? It's not just a breath mint, it's a powerhouse supplement designed to support your oral hygiene from the inside out. It uses organic xylitol to help neutralize the acids that cause cavities, and a unique BioFresh Clean complex to keep your breath smelling amazing. It's also packed with cranberry extract and purple carrot powder. These are super strong antioxidants that protect your gums. But the real secret weapon? It contains 4 specific strains of probiotics. These help balance the good bacteria in your mouth to fight off gum disease and bad breath at the source. The best part is how easy it is. You don't need complicated tools or routines. Just 1 capsule a day is all it takes to support a healthy, bright smile. If you're ready to level up your dental hygiene, definitely check that link below to see the reviews and grab the discount while it's still available. Here's to a happier, healthier smile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.